Привет, друзья! My name is Aida and welcome to my channel Russian Easy Learning. This is a channel for those who love Russian language, Russian culture, for those who want to learn and speak Russian. If you are watching this video, it means that you want to start learning Russian. And today we're talking about Russian alphabet. If you are interested in this information, please keep watching this video. Okay, let's start with the general information about Russian alphabet. In Russian alphabet, we have 33 letters, 10 vowels, 21 consonants and 2 signs. Let's start with Russian vowels. Okay, let's start with the first vowel of Russian alphabet, and this is a vowel A. 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 In Russian, we have capital letters and small letters. Guys, for better memorizing the pronunciation of Russian vowels, please repeat after me. Let's try one more time. A. 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 Okay, very nice. Next Russian vowel is Ye. 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 Okay, next one is Yo. 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 Very good. Next Russian vowel is I. 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 Okay, next one is O. 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 Nice. Next one is U. 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 Repeat after me, guys. U. Very nice. Next Russian vowel is U. 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 It's the most difficult Russian vowel. Let's try to pronounce this vowel one more time together. U. 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 Next one is E. 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 Okay. Next one, U. 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 Very nice. And the last Russian vowel is Ya. 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 It's also personal pronoun in Russian language. Ya means I. I. Okay, let's repeat one more time. A. 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 Ye. 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 Yo. 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 I. 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 O. 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 U. 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 E. 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 U. U. you, я, я, я. Okay, very nice, and you already know Russian vowels. Congratulations, guys! And now let's move on and let's talk about Russian consonants. As you already know, there are 21 consonants in Russian language. Okay, let's start with the first Russian consonant, and this is the consonant B. 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 As you can see, we use our lips to pronounce this consonant. Let's try one more time. B. 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 Okay, next one is V. 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 We use our upper teeth and lower lip. Let's repeat one more time. V. 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 Great. Next consonant is G. 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 Nice. Okay, let's move on. And the next Russian consonant is D. 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 Correct. Very nice, guys. Ž. 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 Next consonant is Z. 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 Next Russian consonant is Y. 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 You can see that this consonant looks similar with the vowel E, but these are different letters and they have different sounds. Okay, let's try one more time. Y. 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 Okay, next one is K. 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 Nice. Next Russian consonant is L. 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 Next one, M. 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 Next consonant, N. 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 Okay, and the next Russian consonant is P. 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 Okay, very nice, guys. Correct. Guys, as you can see, learning of the Russian alphabet is not so difficult as it seems. Okay, let's move on, and the next Russian consonant is R. 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 Okay, nice, and the next Russian consonant is S. 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 Nice, guys, correct. And the next consonant of the Russian alphabet is the consonant T. 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 Let's repeat this consonant one more time. T. 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 Very nice, guys, you are great. And the next Russian consonant is F. 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 Very nice. Next one is H. 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 Nice. Next one is Ts. 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 Well done, guys. Next Russian consonant is Ch. 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 And the next consonant is Sh. Okay, I think this consonant may be a little bit difficult for you, so let's repeat one more time. Sh, sh, sh. Very nice, well done, guys. And the last consonant is sh, 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 sh. Let's compare these two last consonants. Sh, 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 and sh, sh, sh. Okay, sh, 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 sh. Okay, well done, guys. Very, very nice. Okay, let's repeat all Russian consonants together. So let's start. B, 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 v, 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 g, 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 d, 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 ž, 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 z, 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 j, 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 k, 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 l, 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 m, 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 n, 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 p, 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 r, 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 s, 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 t, 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 f, 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 h, 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 c, 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 ch, 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 sh, 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 sh. Well done, guys, and now you know how to pronounce correctly Russian consonants and Russian vowels. And now let's talk about two signs in Russian language. As you already know, in Russian language we have hard sign and soft sign, but actually these two signs have no sounds, and we use these signs to make the previous consonant soft or hard. Well, guys, now you know all Russian alphabet and you can practice. Under this video you can find the link and you can download the file to practice, to improve your Russian alphabet. Guys, I think that you enjoyed this video and I wish you success in learning Russian. And if you want to see more lessons from Russian Easy Learning, please let me know. Bye bye, guys. Пока-пока.